What is up, everyone? Josh Logan here with Astro Logan Productions, bringing you another very exciting tutorial. Today's tutorial is titled Say No to Bloatware. We are going to be going through a couple programs that I installed that have bloatware. One of them's hidden, and you actually have to do a custom installation. We're going to teach you how to go through the installation process after you download the program or the app that you want to install to make sure you are saying no to bloatware. Coming right up. And we're back. So I downloaded a program called Foxit Reader just to kind of give you an illustration of what we're going to look for. So what we're going to do is double click that sucker, open it. Going to bring up user control. And yes, we want to install it. So notice the custom installation is not checked. So we want to custom install, continue, bring up the loading page. All right, so there's the user agreement, the license agreement. I would recommend always reading this. This has some crazy stuff in here that, and it's pretty much saying, hey, we're gonna collect all this information. And there's nothing you can do about it. Go ahead, agree. Or we want to install it, that's fine. And then you have all these components that are going to install. I don't really like these extensions. As you know, I can't stand extensions. Plugins, sometimes they're good. I would recommend the least amount because all this does is slow down other programs. It slows down your browser. So we just go ahead and get uncheck these. Hit next. Alright, so we got create desktop shortcut, that's fine. Add an icon to the start menu, no. So go ahead and uncheck that. Create a quick launch shortcut, ooh, you know what I think about that. Go ahead and uncheck all these. Next, oh wow, Avast free antivirus, huh, please decline. Optional Phantom PDF for business, decline. Alright, now it's installing it without all the other stuff that they wanted you to install. You had no idea that stuff was there. If you just would have hit continue without doing the custom install, you would have installed all that stuff. Very bad. Alright, it's ready to go. I don't really want to launch it, so go ahead and do that. Alright, so next up, we're on PD Acrobat Reader DC. This is just their website. It wants to install extension, McAfee security scans. Go ahead and uncheck extension, uncheck security, and uncheck McAfee Safe Connect. Now we can install without all this other stuff. All right. So there you have it. This is stuff that is it happens to a lot of people. They're installing things, they had no idea what was going on. They didn't know what they're installing. They were just clicking through because, well, I trust Adobe. They're not gonna give me other stuff. And I mean, you notice if you wouldn't have unchecked on the Foxit, we would have been installing Avast. We would have been installing the Phantom, and so then you go into Adobe, you would have installed McAfee, and that's stuff you didn't intend on installing, and that's what I call bloatware. A lot of times you'll install something, and if you're not doing the custom install, what you'll get is you'll get your home page changed, you'll get toolbars installed, and all that stuff. It just slows down your computer. So always, always, always custom install. Never do the recommended install or just the express install. always do custom install, and that way you can know what exactly is being installed on your computer when you install the program that you initially wanted. If you guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions or would like to see another tutorial of something in particular, feel free to leave a comment below, give me a call, check me out on my Facebook page, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you can always get the latest updates. Until next time, stay amazing, friends.